We have arrived and there are locals looking at us like we're crazy people. Okay, I don't know where she's going. I was walking and... It's 6:50 and I'm gonna die. I hate waking up early. I'm gonna have a quick shower and change into some dirty-ish clothes, so, you know, let's go. Another forced event held by my dad. I love being a hostage for my dad. I'm like a slave, but not really. Or am I? Interesting. I'm not gonna eat. I'm just gonna do this quick thing for him and then come back and then live my life as it was intended to be. But the weather is very cool. You know, when you wake up early like this, it's good weather. I look crazy at the moment, but it's fine. Sun protection, baby. I don't wear sunscreen because it's fucking oily and I hate oil on my skin. That's not made by me, so I'm wearing this to protect my arms from the sun. And also I'm tan, so I already have natural sun protection, so don't come for me. I'm gonna leave soon. I think, yeah, just need to get the bikes onto the truck. Why am I doing this? Help, guys. Arrived and there are locals looking at us like we're crazy people, which we are. Not me though, my dad. So don't judge me, local people.
I'm making the most of my life till the day that I hit 25. I know that they'll make an adult.
Can you see the fucking mist? The mist over there, that's so cool. Oh god, it's wet. Oh my god, I look so bad. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so my bike is stuck on gear 3, which is not that great. The weather's nice, kind of cool, but like also very humid, so it's kind of hot and sticky. There's not a lot of wind, but it's okay. I love nature. Mother Nature, I love you, Mother Nature. I look crazy. Anyways, going back to the montages, like what?
I'm not quite ready to be. I've got some growing, I realized the other.
I hate coming on bike rides with my dad because he's a fucking bitch and he never waits for me. And I'm not very exercisey and my fucking bike's stuck. It's tiring. It's really hard to push, even not uphill, so I think something's wrong. Because I'm not that not good. Like I have thick thighs, so I should be able to push this, me and this hunk of metal. Far away. Look at that cunt, not even waiting for me.
When I said some things that I knew that I shouldn't say.
Like even that guy, a fucking farmer's wearing a mask. Farmers in the middle of nowhere.
Opened up a letter of bills that I didn't pay. They were due in April, but now it's the end. It's sad that I prepared to be so young till the end of time. I realize.
What the hell is that? Oh, that's creepy. That's kind of creepy. That's very creepy. Okay then. Another fucking stream. I'm gonna kill that bitch. Okay, first of all, who the fuck thought that riding your bikes in the middle of nowhere in the countryside after a fucking thunderstorm was a great idea? Because it's my dad. And I think he's mentally ill, and he's forcing me into doing things I don't want to do. This is called not peer pressure, parent pressure, and I don't like it. So as I'm panting away and dragging the bike behind me, my dad's like, I thought he was gonna ask about me. Like, are you okay, Joe? No. He asked, do you still have your phone? And I'm like, are you kidding me? Like, I'm not a sensitive person, but, you know, as a parent, thought you'd be like, Joe, you okay? You don't look good. And I'm like, I'm great, even though I'm not. The fact that he asked for if I still had my phone is fucking iconic. Me as a parent. I don't care about you. Oh my god, I care about the fucking phone. It's expensive. You're not expensive, baby. You're just my sperm. And I'm like, okay, it's fine. I need to go now. Bye. There are people planting pineapples over there, 1 and 2. Oh my god. They're looking at me. And we're going through a valley between 2 big boobs. She laughed at me.
I'm not supposed to get stuck on a bike because I'm with a pickup.
She laughed at me. She laughed at me. Oh my gosh, she laughed at me. And here she goes. She's leaving me here. I'd rather be here than go back to that hellhole. No offense. Look at this beauty. Okay, I don't know where she's going. I think she's trying to lead me away from society and try to kill me. But I'm already half dead, so be easy to kill me. Just impale me right now, baby. Throw a rock at me. Ton of rocks here. Throw a pineapple at me. Feed me pineapple until I blow up. That's a great title. Hello. Okay, maybe not here. Now, if you look on the left and right, you will see mango trees with small mangoes on them. What the fuck is a mangoes? I don't know, because it's a mango. Oh my god. I nearly fell into mud. The 7th time, but it's fine because I didn't fall. Thank you, bike. I was walking and... my god. Fucking... I need to clean this off. We love quicksand. That's the best I can do. Yeah, I got sunk into the ground like half my leg length, and I was like, Dad! And he's like, what? And I'm like, look! And he's like, I don't care! And I'm like, 1 second, I need to clean this off because it's gonna look so embarrassing when people pass me like this, because nearly half of it was like more like 60 to 70% up my like leg, so it took some time to get it all off. You found it? I'm by. Someone just walked past, came by. Viewpoint number 1, look at that cutie. We're back.
I never wanted to co-start in your mind. I'm not acting the way I think you'd like. We went for dinner and now you're acting paranoid. If only you knew the way I felt inside.
Okay, I'm finally back from that hill bike ride orchestrated by my lovely dad, maybe adopted, maybe not. I nearly fell into a stream 10 times. Did fall into one, like 2 times. nearly rolled off a cliff, a hill, 5 times, and nearly actually fell in the mud very deeply once. Yeah, that was not fun, and I wish this on nobody, not even my enemies. So thank you for coming and watching my pain.